everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you want to split payments or shop smarter with Cashew, let me show you how to create your Cashew account in under a minute. First, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Cashew app. Tap install, and once it's downloaded, open the app. Now tap on the arrow icon at the bottom right. Once again, and as you can see, there's no sign up form or manual details to enter. Just tap sign in with Google. You also have an option to continue without signing in, but here we are trying to create an account. So tap sign in with Google. Now select the Google account you want to use. Let me go with this one. And once you tap it, boom, Cashew creates your account instantly. And that's it. Your Cashew account is ready to go. You can now explore payment plans, offers, and more. Follow for more quick tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.